What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2013 Street Glide. Stick around to the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Bike is very, very clean. Chrome front end with chrome axle nut covers, color matched lower fairings, S&S headers with Screamin mufflers, docking hardware, future passenger backrest or luggage rack, or a tour pack. LED front and rear turn signals, LED saddlebag lights, upgraded seat, shifter pegs, shifter linkage, grips, mirrors. This bike only has 27,369 miles on it. Upgraded Harley headlight, Harley windshield, chrome hot topper kit. Go ahead and get a start up. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.